Here is the 2001 Honda CBR 929. We'll walk around. Two Brothers exhaust. Undertail custom. I did that. LED bracket. I did the little bracket real quick at work. LED turn signals. So we'll back up. Turn it on real quick. Hit a fuel pump, that's brand new. Start right up every time. It's pretty loud. LEDs, pretty bright. Ready to go. I gotta make another video a little bit later. Riding up and down the street. But that's him.